I don't know who needs to hear this, but somebody manifested this message literally right now. And that message simply is somebody in your life needs the door slammed on their ass. And I don't mean physically, but I mean they need that metaphysical door slammed on their ass. Why you say that, C. Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Due to the simple fact that you know somebody is not good for your energy, chosen one. You know somebody's manipulative playing game energy is all around your atmosphere, permeating through the skin, feel me? Because you could feel it. You're a child of the Most High. You could feel these things. Your intuitions does not lie to you. Every time you're around this person, it's like the bat signal just keeps going up in the air. Feel me? Like, oh, there is something not right in the environment. And you know 9 times out of 10, you could point the finger at what it is. It's the person that's next to you, huh? And their evil, manipulative, Decepticonish ways, huh? Lying, cheating, stealing. For some of y'all, probably killing. You know, we'll keep that under wraps. For real. And what do you think happens when you're around a person that has all
Police reported ahead. Don't worry, this doesn't have to harsh the mellow.
Excuse me, but yes, what do you think that means when this person has all this karmatic debt to pay, and you are this purebred human spirit that's next to the person just chilling? Guess what? Guilty by association, and you're gonna get taken down with him. Feel me? Or her. Huh? In the invisible realm. Believe it. This is real. And this video is strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones. The less than smart ones probably not even here until the moment of this video. Feel me? But chosen ones with the ears to ear, chosen ones with the ears to hear, they already know. But they just needed the confirmation. And your boy C. Nasty, with the message from God through my mouth to your ears, is giving you the confirmation that that person, place, or thing is the reason why your blessings are being either blocked or taking forever. I've been through it myself, chosen ones. Some of these people are literally taking your blessings overnight. Some of you are sleeping with the enemy. Feel me? When you're supposed to be in the bed dreaming by yourself or with God, you're in the bed with the enemy right next to you, just clipping your wings every night. You trying to grow your wings back so you can fly and make some moves in your life, and the damn demon in disguise right next to you is just literally clipping them off every night, just shaving it off of you. Huh? You try to get stronger, you try to heal yourself, but yet this person with their damn Decepticon ways, with their negative influence, all they doing is talking all this garbage. Feel me? You trying to talk about real stuff like life, you know, stars, just things in general, spiritual things in general. And what this person want to talk about, Cardi B and TMZ. Like, come on, man. Get the negative influence out of your life. You don't have to. Well, yes, you do, because this video is about slamming the door on their ass. I was about to say you need to ghost them, but nah. You need to take it past the level of being ghosted. You need to slam the door on their ass. If you like the message, hit the like button. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself, C. Nasty. Subscribe to my channel, hit the follow button. Feel me? I don't bite. I'm a cool guy. And I also got over 1,000 videos of high-level consciousness conversations.
In 1 mile,
like this.
Continue straight.
Excuse the GPS, but gotta go. I'm going to work right now. Alright, I'm out of here, chosen ones. Hit me in the comment section also, man. I get my life in the comment section. One love.